Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying eligibility because brands need credible partners. Once confirmed, make sure your channel basics are professional and contactable. This matters for brand trust. Next, open the Brand Connect dashboard and link your brand account or Google Ads so campaigns can access your inventory. While doing that, fill in your creator profile with audience demographics and past campaign examples. This speeds approvals. Finally, save settings and refresh the dashboard. Now you're ready to start receiving briefs and opportunities. Once you accept a brief, read it carefully to map objectives to content. You should design a concept that matches the brand's message. State the hook, integration moment, and call to action because brands evaluate alignment. Then calculate pricing based on deliverables and audience value and prepare a concise pitch with metrics and sample clips. Make sure to specify runtime and usage rights because misunderstandings slow approvals. After submission, monitor messages for questions. Respond promptly to keep momentum and increase your selection chances. Finish by signing contracts and confirming the exact timeline, approval windows, and payment terms. Clarity prevents disputes. Then produce and deliver the content according to the brief. Upload drafts, provide timestamps, and request brand review so feedback is formal. Once approved, follow upload and attribution instructions precisely and submit final reports or analytics. If something goes wrong, document the issue. Message the brand immediately with proposed fixes and escalate through Brand Connect support if you can't resolve it yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.